Hi, I'm Ling, and I'm the artist behind the 5 Stones. When I was a child, I played with 5 stones. That was actually the beginning of the 5 stones. Having these giant inflatable stones for the Singapore Bicentenary, it's very imaginative, it's very playful. The theme of this exhibition being ripple effect, teachers having an effect on their students will eventually have an effect on their students. We really want teachers to engage the children through play. They can learn something very essential to their lives. The Vanda Miss Joaquim piece in the plaza, I asked an ex-student to collaborate with me on that piece. He created a soundscape from the electro signals from Miss Vanda. The art scene has really flourished. There's been more funding, more spaces. What I hope in the future, as a whole, as a culture, as a people, would be able to recognize artists for the essential and integral role that they play in the cultural landscape of Singapore. So come experience the ripple effect at the NIE Art Gallery. It's open till 10 October. See you here.